evening, guys. I just get home from my work and I passed by Uniqlo. I bought some basics because some of my knitwear and jumper are already small, so I got some bits. And let's see. And the other day I got this jacket. I got it from Uniqlo, same brand, and it is medium. I like the drop shoulder style, oversized, and yeah, love it. So these are what I got. And by the way, I got the other one last month. I haven't shown it to you guys. And wait, this one, it's the J.W. Anderson collection with Uniqlo. Perfect for this festive season. And yeah, we'll try this on. So there you go. This is the J.W. Anderson I got. I love it. This is like a merino jumper, so it's not itchy and it's very soft, so I love it. Perfect for this upcoming season, festive season. So this is what I got today. This is 100% wool. Hold on, I take this one. This is medium. Usually I'm small, but you know, I gained some weight, and yeah, right now I'm taking the medium one. Look at the fitting. It's perfect. Right? And this is the last one. Hold on. Again, this is in medium. I'm taking this one. ASMR. There you go. I like this, how do you call this? Crew neck, but it's really thick, and I love this. I love this part. All right, do this. There you go. What do you think? So there you go. These are some of the basics that I got from Uniqlo. Uniqlo have the best basics knitwear, jumper. So if you guys are looking for the good ones with not so expensive in a premium quality materials, go check Uniqlo. I got my first purchase from Ami Paris. And I like the fact that they add dust bag. And this details. I love it. Embroidered. And of course, the tag. Good morning from Milano. Another year, another festive season is about to come. The preparation is just happening right now. So this is the Christmas tree in the Plaza Duomo. And that is Swarovski. Christmas truly is one of the best time of the year. Good evening from Garibaldi area, and this year is definitely a lot colder than last year, which is good because we are on winter time. And look at that building behind me. That is Bosco Verticale. Ooh. And to be completely honest, I am not a big fan of winter, but I like when seasons change. And probably one of the good thing about winter time, the cold months, is that we have to layer our clothes, and it's the only thing we can experiment with our look. So that is one of the good things about colder months. And by the way, this is Piazza Gaiolenti once again in the Garibaldi area here in Milano, the modern side of the city. And right now I am going to Adidas store and look for hat. So and this is what I bought. Look at Hyatt Hotels installation. That is so beautiful. In a few days, Swarovski Christmas tree will light. This is an annual sponsored here in Gallery in Milano. And this year they have this cookie decors. And guys, Milan Christmas Market is now open. Well, the lighting of the Christmas tree will be on the 8th. Meanwhile, Milan Christmas Market is now open, and bagel, dried fruits. This is a typical sweet during Christmas time. They call it turon. They got salami, some jewelries. So there you have it, guys. I am back home, and as you may have seen, I have explored the city in every corner of Milano because I love Christmas so much. And so to see the installations, the Christmas tree, the Christmas lights, the Christmas ornaments, everything is just giving me so much joy. So yeah, there you go. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll be filming a lot more this year. So thank you very much again, and I hope you enjoy watching this. And if you do, as I always say, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.